Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to replace your, we are going to show you how to replace your RV water heater's anode rod. Okay, so the first step that we want to do before we empty our hot water tank is to go under our sink. Wherever your hot water tank is located, in the back of it, there'll be the water supply line. You just need to shut that off so that you're not filling it. And probably not a bad idea to go ahead and shut off the hot water bypass. But most important, you want to make sure that you do not have water being supplied to the hot water heater. And we'll see you outside for the next steps. Next step, we've turned off the bypass inside the coach so that there's no hot water filling back up into the tank. Next, we want to come out, and this right here is a pressure relief valve. We don't want to pull that, and that's just going to relieve some of the pressure. Leave that out. Okay, we've released some of the pressure. We know there's still some water in there. So now this is our anode rod right here. Again, if you've got a deep socket, you can do that much easier than what I'm doing here. This is why I got my screwdriver. Show right here, Nick. So I can crank on that. Okay. Now I have enough coming out. And let's see if we can get it out by hand now. All right, let's stand back a little bit because we're gonna.
Yeah, that's gonna.
There's gonna be some water coming.
Oh crap!
Yeah, did you get that?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh. Well, what now, Dad?
Well, I'm going to finish the video with a wet face. This is our old anode rod. As you can see, yeah, it's a little crusty. All right, so we are now going to let that drain. Probably take about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. You can see our old anode rod is out. There is no more water draining out of there. We've got our new anode rod in hand. And we Teflon tape. Want to make sure you put the Teflon tape on for a good seal. Just wrap that a couple times there. All right. And we are going to hand the anode rod off to Nick, the travel kid, who's going to
tighten it. Oh, disgusting.
Disgusting? Why?
Yes, it's disgusting because I'm touching water. It's not really disgusting.
Okay, is it in there?
Should be.
Okay. Well, we gotta tighten it up.
Just making sure.
Yep, just keep tightening it. You're just gonna have to keep doing that. Get good, little. Again, this is where a nice deep 1 1/16 socket comes in very handy. Boy, just
how far do you gotta tighten that in there, Dad?
Well, you want it to be tight. Obviously, you don't want to over tighten and break anything, but enough to where we don't have water leaking out.
Oh, nice and tight.
Next, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna turn the cold water supply line back on, make sure the bypass isn't off, and that's basically it. Once it fills back up with water, we'll turn on our propane, heat that thing up. We'll be ready for dishes, shower, all of that. This literally took 10 minutes to complete. Easy. You definitely want to make sure you're doing it. It's going to prolong the life of your water heater. And that is how easy it is to replace your RV water heater anode rod. You're going to check this once a year. You could potentially get 3, possibly 4 years out of it. If it's halfway corroded, you want to replace it. This one is a year old. We decided to replace it just because it got real thin right here. I did not want that to break off into the hot water tank.
Yeah, that's not going to be good.
Anyhow, very simple. We've got our affiliate link below. We'd appreciate it if you do purchase through our affiliate link. And
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to go down in the description and hit the little bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Bye, guys!